Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well and will be great in your life. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with AR Comrade. In this video, I am going to talk a bit on the third part of speech, namely adjective and its kinds. But before moving on to the topic, if you want to know completely about the first two parts of speech, namely noun, kinds of noun and cases of noun, pronoun and its kinds, I have already made video. The link is in the description. Watch that video as well. Inshallah, it will help you out. So today we are going to discuss about adjective and its 12 kinds. So let us know the definition of adjective. Adjective. Term adjective is derived from a Latin word adiectivus, which means to add to. But remember one thing, in adjective the D is silent, so it is called adjective. And this word is taken from a Latin word adjectivus, which means to add to. And if we see its definition, adjective is the word that indicates the quantity, the quality, color, kind, number of a person or a thing. So let us understand it by examples. He is a brave person. Now here brave is what? Brave is a quality of a person. So bravery is his quality. This is a white car. White is adjective. All color names are adjective. Remember one thing, all color names are adjective. And there are 20 rooms in this building, so we are talking about number. The 20 is number, so it's adjective. Then if we talk about kinds of adjective, there are 12 kinds of adjective. The first one, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, numerical adjective, proper adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective, emphasizing adjectives, exclamatory adjectives, and phrasal adjective, the last one, that is denominal adjectives. The first one, adjective of quality, which is also called descriptive adjective. The adjective that is referred to describe the nature of a noun or showing the quality of noun or pronoun is called adjective of quality. David is a good boy. Now here, good is what? Good is adjective of quality and boy is a noun. So we have already discussed in the definition that we talk about noun or pronoun, the quality of a noun or pronoun. She is a voice lady. Voice is what? Voice is adjective of quality and lady is what? Noun. Murray is wonderful city. City is noun and wonderful is what? Adjective of quality. And the second one is adjective of quantity. The, the type of adjective that indicates the estimated amount of a noun or pronoun in the sentence is termed as adjective of quantity. It answers the questions how much. She is very poor. Now here very is what? Adjective of quantity. Joseph has enough money to start the business. Now enough, we have already that known by its definition that we talk about quantity. So enough is what? It is adjective of quantity. I have sufficient time. Sufficient is what? Adjective of quantity. And the third one is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives are used to express the relative position of a noun in time or space. It is also known as determiner. These apples are delicious. Now here these is what? These is demonstrative adjective and apples are noun. So these apples are delicious. This pen is hers. Pen is what? Pen is noun and this is demonstrative adjective. Pass me that bottle of jam. Now that is what? That is demonstrative adjective and bottle is noun. And the fourth one is distributive adjectives, and an adjective that is used to refer every single person or a thing or describes specific members out of a group is known as distributive adjective. For example, each of them are hardworking. Now here each is what? Distributive adjective. He reads newspaper every day, means we are talking about one person. So every day is what? Distributive adjective. I don't believe him either. Neither of you are allowed to speak in the class. Neither is what? Distributive adjective. And the fifth one is numeral adjective. The type of adjective that indicates definite or indefinite number of persons or things are called numerical adjectives or numeral adjectives. It is also known as adjective of numbers or numerical adjective. Three students own the prizes. Now here three is what? Numeral adjective or numerical adjective, adjective of number. A few students own the prizes. And the sixth one is proper adjective. Proper adjective is a type of adjective that takes initial capital letters. As like I have already discussed in that, like proper noun. So the same it is also proper adjective where we talk about a proper person, place or thing. My friend lives in India. Now India is a proper noun. So it means we talk about here a proper adjective. So proper India is a proper adjective here. John Keats was a great poet. Now John Keats is a proper adjective or proper noun. So we talk about proper we talk about John Keats. So it is called proper adjective John Keats. And the seventh one is interrogative adjective. A word that modifies a noun by asking a question is called interrogative adjective. It is also known as interrogative determiners. Whose pen is this? Now, whose is what? Interrogative adjective. Which storybook do you like most? What's his name? And the eighth one is possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are the words that modify a noun to show a form of possession or ownership to a specific person, place, or a thing, also known as possessive determiners. It's my house. Now, here, my is what? My is a possessive adjective, and house is noun. It's your cat. Cat is noun, and your is what? Possessive adjective. And the ninth one, empathic adjectives, which is also called emphasizing adjectives. It's the most important one, so listen it carefully. The adjectives that are used to emphasize on proceeding noun are called emphasizing adjectives. For example, the incident happened before my very eyes means I'm emphasizing on that the incident happened before my very eyes. Mind your own business. Now here your own is what? I'm emphasizing on that person that mind your own business. So it's called emphasizing adjectives or empathic adjectives. And the 10th one is exclamatory adjective. The adjective that is used to show our emotions is known as exclamatory adjective. The question word what is used to express strong emotions along with exclamation mark at the end of sentence. What a charming view is this. Now here at the last we have to use exclamation mark. What a wonderful trip we had. Now what is what? Exclamatory adjective, and at the last you have to use exclamation mark. What a strange incident happened in front of my eyes. So this what is what? Exclamatory adjective, and at the last we have used exclamation mark. So it becomes exclamatory adjective. And the 11th one is phrasal adjective, which is also called compound adjective. When two or three adjectives or words together modify a noun, these form a phrasal adjective. For example, President will come for a 5-day visit. Now 5-day visit, it's what? It's phrasal adjective. He wants to paint his house lemony yellow. Lemony yellow is what? Phrasal adjective. And the last one, that is denominal adjective. A type of adjective that is derived from a noun is termed as denominal adjective. It usually ends with suffixes. For example, a biological experiment. Now biology is what? Biology is a noun. So if we talk about its adjective, biological experiment, so it becomes denominal adjective. Experiment, biological, a wooden boot. Now wood is what? Wood is noun. If we make it wooden, then it becomes en at the end, so it becomes denominal adjective. A wooden boot. American lady or an American lady, so the same. America is what? America is noun, and if we talk about citizen of any country, then we call it like Pakistani, Indian, American, so then it becomes denominal adjective, lady is what, lady is noun. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you have understood and you have gotten much points from this video. So if you have liked, do comment and do share, and do subscribe channel for the latest videos about English grammar, literature, linguistics, psychology and other interesting subjects. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.